The patient was apparently asymptomatic 5 years back and he was diagnosed to be diabetic since 5 years.
Show them the spotter also at the same time.
And 2 years back he had a thrombic. After that his left toe was amputated due to gangrene development. And due to repeated trauma to his left toe, he again developed non-human also on his.
No, you don't have to make it big, yeah. You can
His
just
left toe was amputated
show
due
it
to
full.
the repeated trauma to the left toe.
Good.
And it was amputated due to development of gangrene. And
Again,
the
not evidence
patient
cases.
is repeatedly getting the trauma to the same toe and he developed non-healing ulcer. And the patient was now presented to our OT with complaints of pedal edema, facial confidence and SOB. And he was diagnosed to have the abdominal complex.
So now the MBBS student should be able to easily tell us because they have already seen a similar patient. See, so many people in our country are having this problem. And what is the reason for it? Why are so many people having this? Apparently, currently it seems to be only visceral fat. You know, the more visceral fat you accumulate here, the more damage your vessels are going to suffer. And you see all this 4 plus albumin, where is it coming from? What do you think? What is the reason for this 4 plus albumin? And what was this protein 24 hours? Yeah.
His 24 hours protein is 2055 milligrams per day.
My God, 2.5 grams, 2.05 grams. Yeah.
24 hours that was 1.1. And
Yeah.
his CV shows the RBC of 5
Yeah, show them the CV. Here, they see? Yeah, that is it. So you can see.
So his abdomen in the urine and vessels to 5
So who will tell us what is the reason for this man having 4 plus albumin and pusses in the urine and RBCs as well as his gangrene? We showed you just one patient, similar patient, that was the second patient. Both are having the same problem with a little bit of variation here and there. Maybe the age and both are having the same gender, similar age, similar affection. Now one patient had more of a cardiac problem of which you saw. This patient has more of a renal problem. But the cause is same in both. And that is how many years of diabetes?
His 5 years of diabetes.
5 years of diabetes. So in this patient, within 5 years, there has been a marked inflammation in the kidney, particularly in the glomeruli, which is damaging the glomeruli and he is taking out proteins there. And not only there, his feet, the vascular inflammation has progressed not only to the glomeruli, which are also microvessels, it has also gone into the microvessels of the feet. And he is slowly, he developed a gangrene in his toe when it had to be cut off. Now that man with the heart failure, his feet is yet to be cut off. This man, his already feet is cut off and his kidney is affected now. So just look at how this disease is destroying us. And some of you students who have worked with ICMR projects and all, you will see that now the government is actually addressing these diseases in the country in the form of NCDs. They call them NCDs, non-communicable diseases. So you see, now non-communicable, initially in India, communicable diseases used to be so much ravaging to us, like cholera, tuberculosis, all communicable diseases. But now is the age of non-communicable diseases, like these. I don't know why they call it non-communicable. I think it's because of a lack of communication. Yeah. I mean, I know that usual reason because it's not supposedly because of an infectious disease, isn't it? So, but you know what? I feel it is because of lack of communication on our part, which makes them, nurture the visceral fat. Because that visceral fat, currently we know that is the main source of the cytokine inflammation, which is damaging the vessels. But nobody is communicating it to them. They are happily increasing the visceral fat because that is a sign of prosperity in this country. More visceral fat you have, better off you are. And everybody proudly shows the visceral fat. But that is what is killing them. So, a problem in communication, non-communicability. So, yes, ultimately this is it.